So on February 2021, there were travel restriction applied for international travels in Canada, and people were very worried that they are not able to enter in Canada. They were waiting for some good news. So today we have some good news. So watch this video till the end. We will share all the updates about travel ban in Canada. Before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel because we keep on posting Canada immigration related videos. Let's continue with the video.
So as most of you are aware that in Feb 2021, the government announced that anybody who's traveling to Canada will have to stay in a government approved hotel for at least 3 days till they wait for their results of COVID-19. So that restriction is going to be lifted soon. So that is a very good news, I would say.
Yeah.
So people who were still traveling were supposed to pay at least $2,000 on the hotel quarantine, which was a huge amount.
Yeah.
And we have seen few cases where people skipped the hotel quarantine and they just broke the rules, and they were okay to take the fine of $3,000, which is, I think, not good.
Yeah.
So I think the situation is getting better here. So maybe that is why there's a discussion going on that this restriction is going to be lifted soon. But there are some catches in that. So we will discuss those.
And I would say the hotel quarantine experience was not also good. We did not face it personally, but there were so many videos people posted about hotel quarantine. The experience was not good. So people who were traveling in emergency situations, I mean, they had to face a lot of problems. But luckily, starting July, they will be lifting off that ban. So we have some more updates on this.
Starting July, the requirement to stay in a government-approved hotel for a Canadian citizen or a PR holder who is returning home will be lifted. But the clause here is that you have to be fully vaccinated, and the vaccination has to be approved by FDA and Healthcare Ministry of Canada.
So you can check the list of vaccination which are approved by FDA, and there will be more details on this, but you will be able to identify what are the lists for the vaccination, and if you are fully vaccinated, then you will be able to enter in Canada.
Another requirement is that you have to be fully vaccinated at least 14 days prior to your arrival. So you cannot get vaccinated just a day before your flight. It has to be at least 14 days before.
Yeah, and that's there just in case, even after getting vaccinated, you will have some symptoms of COVID-19. So that's the reason why there is 14 days of gap before your arrival. So another requirement is same as before. So you need to have PCR test done from a departure point, and again another test at your arrival point.
Additionally, you need to have a pre-booked arrangement and a plan for your stay, because you will be waiting for your test results once you land in Canada. So the officers may ask you details around that. So you need to have those bookings beforehand.
So they will ask you for the quarantine plan, where you would be staying after entering in Canada for next 14 days. There were still open questions about the children who are under 12 years of age, and there will be more clarity on this because anyone under the age of 12 cannot get vaccinated. So they will be giving some more information around it. So overall, I would say it's a good news. They have a plan to open international borders in phases. So if everything goes well, if people will not break laws and only they will enter in Canada for urgent situations, then I think cases will not go high. Lockdown is also opening in phases, so situation is getting better. If the cases will remain low, then their plan is to open the international border in phases. So right now they open it for Canadian citizens, PR holders. Eventually they will open it for work permit holders as well, and then for visitor visas as well. And this hotel quarantine will be lifted eventually. If everything goes well, it will definitely impact the FSW draws as well. They will also start doing the FSW draws if the cases remains low, situation gets better in India, Pakistan, and situation gets better in Canada. So they can focus on immigration instead of handling this pandemic situation. So just hope for the best. I think it's a good news. If you were stuck in India or some other country and you were not able to travel to Canada and you have citizenship or PR for Canada, now you will be able to enter Canada. So it is always better to do quarantine at your home instead of doing it in a hotel for 3 days, right?
And also it is very, very important to get vaccinated. Now you know the importance of vaccination. So if you haven't got your vaccination yet, this is the time, because things are opening up, but again, it will all be linked to vaccination somehow.
Yeah.
So if you are not thinking about getting vaccinated, this is the time, think about it and get vaccinated.
Because there are discussion going on for vaccination passport as well. I'm sure that will be implemented for sure, but when? It will be sooner, let's say next month, next 2-3 months, or maybe in 4 months, but definitely it is going to be implemented for every country. So India is also thinking about it. I'm sure that Canada will also implement it. So get vaccinated. Manpreet got her first vaccination. That's why she's wearing this t-shirt.
Yeah, and also make sure that the vaccine you are going to get is FDA approved,
Yeah.
which I'm sure will be, because if they are rolling out the vaccines, so they have to be approved, right?
Yeah.
So still check it, because I don't know, like there might be some list somewhere where you can check like if the vaccine you're going to get is FDA approved or not.
Yeah, we will put down a link in the description so you can check that list. So overall good news, after so many days we are getting some good news on the international travel ban. So we will keep on posting these kind of update video on travel ban and FSW draws and express entry. So subscribe the channel. See you in next video. Till then.
Stick around.